Good day, class. Welcome to another video for this course, and this is Module 9, which implies that this is the ninth video that I'll be having for this course. And for this video, for this module, we'll be treating phonetic and phonology in English language. The contents of the module are: one, we have the meaning of phonetic and the meaning of phonology, difference between phonetics and phonology, relationship between phonetic and phonology, the articulation process, places of articulation, the manner of speech production, then we have consonant sounds and vowel sounds. So those are the contents of the module. So let's pick it one after the other. For the introductions, English sounds are the foundation upon which the language is built. A symphony of phonemes that come together to convey meaning, emotion, and ideas. From the soft whisper of this sound in this to the vibrant boom of the ba sound in big, English sounds are the fundamental units of communication that enables us to express ourselves, connect with others, and navigate the complexities of the world around us. So with its unique blend of vowels and consonants, English sounds are a distinctive feature of the language, shaping the way we speak and the way we listen and understand one another. So moving on to the next heading, we have the meaning of phonetics. Phonetics is the study of the actual speech sound of language. It generally covers all sound that can be found in human language. Phonetic studies sounds in terms of organ of speech, articulation, acoustics and audition, classification of sound, naming of sound, and the likes. So we have the meaning of phonology. Phonology is the study of speech sound patterns of a given language. So, and according to U 1996, page 36, according to him, phonology is the system and pattern of speech sound in a language. From this point of view, it is a branch of linguistics that deal with mental recognition of the sound of a language. So phonology consists of sound, and I study speech as purpose of human activities, which tend to consider all the possibilities of conveying meaning. So we have the relationship between phonetic and phonology. Phonetic states its acoustics and physically facts of sound of language, as well as the mean of classifying sounds. A language uses only small portion of the articulation. A language uses small portion of the articulating possibilities of speech sound. Phonology selects the articulating possibilities which are useful for the language and study the formulation of this selected sound into distinct sound system. So in short, phonetics and phonology is the study of sound in English. So now the articulation process is the process in which some constriction are formed, constriction of space inside the buccal cavity. By articulating process, we refer to the activities of the speech organ, which results in different kind of sounds. So the activities, the flow of speech organs, which results in a different kind of sound that is being made. Usually, it is the active articulation that makes contact with the passive ones. The active articulators include the tongue, which is the most active. The lower lip is an active articulator, while the upper lip is a passive articulator. So this is to tell us that when making a sound, the tongue and the lower lips are very important and more active compared to the upper lip. So we have the manner of speech production. Unlike the place of articulation, which tells the position of the organs of articulation, the manner of speech production organs of articulation. It concerns the various ways or how these articulators produce speech sounds. For the consonant sounds, it is possible to say that some sounds are produced with total closure of the articulator, plosive or stops in brackets or friction. Another sound might be produced by the vibration of the tip of the tongue slightly touching the palate or just tapping it like tap flap. So it is also possible to shape the mouth such that a sound is allowed to pass through a space at both sides of the blade of the tongue and the mouth, or allow the sound to come out of the vocal tract with little or no obstruction. Moving on, we're looking at the consonant sounds. The consonant sounds are produced when there is some form of obstruction from the air stream. So Peter Ladford, a phonetician, defined consonant sounds as consonants are sounds made by obstructing airflow in the vocal tract. Also, according to the Oxford Dictionary, a consonant is a letter or sound that is not a vowel, while according to American Heritage Dictionary, a consonant is a sound produced by obstructing airflow in the vocal tract. So in English language, we have 24 consonant sounds, which are represented by the International Phonetic Alphabet (IPA). These consonant sounds include pa, ba, then we have da, we have k, we have ga, and ma, we have n, we have we have f, v, s, we have s, we have z, we have short sound, we have ch, we have z, j, we have ch, y, we have and the likes. So let's look at the vowel sounds. These are examples of consonant sounds. Now let's look at the vowel sound. According to Peter Ladford, again a phonetician, vowels are sounds produced without significant obstruction of airflow in the vocal tract, allowing for relatively free flow of air. So Oxford English Dictionary defines vowel sound as a sound made without blocking the airflow in the mouth, while also the American Heritage Dictionary also defines vowel sound to be a sound produced by the free passage of breath through the mouth, typically forming the nucleus of a syllable. So the meaning of vowel sound can be deduced to a sound produced when there is no obstruction of airflow caused by the lips, teeth, or tongue. So now to conclude, and I believe the different types of vowel sounds that we have is we have we have e, we have u, we have how, and the likes. We have the monotone, the diphthongs too. So now let's move on to the concluding part. The study of phonetics and phonology has revealed the intricate and complex nature of sounds in language, highlighting the crucial role they play in shaping our understanding of spoken communication. The exploration of phonetics has provided a detailed understanding of the physical properties of sound, including their production, transmission, and perception, while phonology has shed light on the abstract patterns and systems that govern the use of sounds in language. The classification of sound into vowels, consonants, diphthongs, and triphthongs has demonstrated the diversity and complexity of human language, while the analysis of sound combination and patterns has also eliminated the rules and regularities that underlie linguistic structure. So ultimately, the study of phonetics and phonology has underscored the importance of sounds as the fundamental building blocks of language, highlighting their role in shaping meaning, conveying emotion, and facilitating human connection. So, and that will be all for this module of this module. about phonetics and phonology.